Hi guys, it's your girl VBS, your resident unicorn, coming to you today as the Budget Fashionista. I have got a mini Amazon haul and looks like Aliexpress. It's mostly Aliexpress and very many Amazon haul because there's only one Amazon item. So it's mostly Aliexpress today, and I've got a hodgepodge of different items for us to look at today. I want to thank you guys for joining me. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. And before we get started, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and turn on your post notifications so you'll know when I release another video, and give me that like if you like my content. I don't like to tell people to like things unless they actually like it. So thanks, you guys. Okay, I want to go ahead and jump into this and go ahead and get started. All right, since we only have one Amazon item, I'm going to do the Amazon item first. So Amazon. I think I know what this is actually this time. I just ordered this not too long ago, so I think I remember what this actually is. I don't need to think that I can tear into it. Remember I told you guys I'm gonna try to throw in a couple of different things besides just accessories and handbags. I'm gonna try to throw in some fashion items when I can. Yeah, that's what this is. I saw these and I just had to have them. They are here, let me take them out so you can see. These are fingerless gloves and I like them. See there, I got two pair. They come with two pair. And you guys, I'm gonna have to stop, looks like, putting I'm gonna try them on so you guys can see what they look like. I'm gonna have to stop, looks like, putting the information of how much things cost on here because the amounts keep changing on Amazon. The amounts on Amazon change so much, and then when you look at go on there, it's a different amount than what I put on there. So people are like, well, it's not the same amount. So I'm gonna stop putting the actual price that I pay for stuff up because it's gonna change. Amazon.com they have different vendors for different things, so the price is gonna change. So I can't really put the pricing up because it's going to be a different price probably when you guys go there, but it's still going to be budget fine. So anything that I bring to you is going to be a budget fine. So it's going to be like no more than, it depends on what it is. If it's a purse, I'm going to try to keep it under 200, and if it's anything else, I'm going to try to keep it under 20. That's just what I've been trying to do. That's about how it's been working. Ooh, look at these. I like these I wanted to get these for when, of course, it's about to get cold. Look at there. Look at them. They're so cool. Oh, I put my Fitbit is under there, but they're so cool, you guys. Isn't that cool? I like the way they fit. And it's about to get cold, so we're going to be needing these anyway. And I do some unboxing videos where I'm just showing my hands, so I wanted to have something cool on my hands when I'm just showing it. And plus, it makes your rings that you have on pop. Like when you have your rings on, if you have these on, it makes it pop. So I like that. So that's my fashion item. I got the black pair and I got the gray pair. They came in a set together, and these were really reasonably priced, so it's not gonna break the bank, put it that way. Okay, moving on to the next thing. Now we're gonna get started on the AliExpress stuff. I got this next item. It was I thought it was really cute when I looked at it on there. It's in this box. I want to get one for me and one for my mom. My mom's favorite color is purple, and my favorite color is blue. My husband's favorite color is purple. My favorite color is blue, but I also like purple. But I got one for my mom. You can use this, I guess, as a purse ring, as a purse charm if you want to, but I wouldn't. I really didn't get it as a purse charm. I got it as just something to have to put up around the house. I mean, I could have it in my purse or like a key ring, but I wouldn't really use it as a purse charm because well, actually it might be better as a purse charm than a key ring, because this thing right here, it's not glass, it's plastic, and see how it's made where it's like in there, it has a forever rose in there. That's why I liked it. And I wouldn't want this to keep bumping up against stuff and possibly pop open. That's why I said that whatever it is, I want it to be something that you can control, like keys. You can kind of control how they move around. But either way, I'll find something to use this as. It's so cute. Even if I use it as a decoration. Here's the purple one. That's the one I got from my momsy. It says happy every day on the little thing. So that's something that I got from Aliexpress. That was super, it was super cheap. That was nothing. All the items that I show you guys, I'm gonna, if I can find them back, yeah, I should be able to find them still on Aliexpress on my page on there. I'm gonna put it down in the description section for here so that you'll be able to go straight to it and find it. All you have to do is click on the link down below in my description box. Yeah, that's right. I was trying to make sure that I said the right word. In my description box, it'll take you straight to it, so you don't have to worry about going around looking for, like, where did she get that from? Where did it come from? You'll be all right. You'll find it. Just click on the link, take you straight to it. Okay, now the next thing is in this bag. I will have to use my trusty Swiss Army knife. You see how I keep moving my hair? Do not adjust your screens, you guys. That is the color purple. Yes, yes, yes. I had to change it up and do another color. I like different hairstyles and stuff like that. I mean, you got to change it up. You can't have the same hairstyle over and over and over again. It's kind of boring. So I have to pick it up, spice it up a little bit, spice up your life. All right, let's get into this. I know what this is also because it said textile on the outside of the bag, and I know what I purchased. Oh, they put, oh gosh, this is cute. Look what they put it in, y'all. It's in a little carry bag. I wasn't expecting that. I didn't think they were gonna put it in that. This right here is a little throw that I purchased from Aliexpress. Of course, you know, what is my favorite thing? What is the animal that I like, that I'm always talking about, that I am one of? A unicorn. So I got me a unicorn throw, you guys. I saw it on there and I said, ooh, that is super cute. So let me get it. So let me show you guys what this looks like. And they are so, with it's got Sherpa on it, and that's what I really like. I'm gonna show it to you guys. And that's another thing. They have different sizes. They also have this in the size that you can actually, in a comforter. You see that? Look at that. Isn't that cute? Yeah. They have this in different sizes. I wanted a little small throw. I may start using this as my backdrop. That's what I wanted it for, to try to maybe use it as a backdrop if I'm in the house, or if I'm in here, I might put it up as a backdrop. I thought this was super cute when I saw it on there. And they have this in different sizes. They have this size of throw, and then they have, you know, like twin size, they have queen size and king, all the way up to king size, and they're so reasonably priced, because you know, things like this, especially with the Sherpa, let me show you the back. It's a Sherpa throw on the back. Especially with that, you know how expensive those can get. And on Aliexpress, baby, it's reasonably priced. Again, you have to wait for it, so you gotta learn a little patience. But this didn't take too long. It's running right now about average of a couple of weeks, about on the average 2 weeks. Other than that, oh, and I forgot, That was the thing from Aliexpress. So I forgot this other thing. I thought it was just Aliexpress and Amazon. I'm sorry, I stand corrected. Is this the last thing? My last thing that I have, it actually is finally the one that I purchased from DhGate. So that one finally got here. Now that one, Lord have mercy, DhGate about to make me have a heart attack. I'm like, well, Lord, I hope they actually send it, because it's taking forever. I thought Aliexpress took forever. DhGate don't care. They're just saying, bump it. You'll get it when you get it, sis. Let me stop. I do not mind saving a coin. You hear me? I do not mind waiting if I'm going to save a coin. And I save a pretty good coin being patient. So I need to learn patience. I did ask the Lord to help me learn some patience in my life. So I need to learn patience. So this is my trying period. This is me learning my patience. So I'm learning patience. So I am learning life lessons here. I am getting to the point where I need to be learning some patience. So I'm learning. So hey, if this is what it takes, this is what it takes. But this is our last thing. It's from DhGate. So we finally got us something from DhGate. You wonder what it is? Of course it's a purse. What you think? I'm glad it's the first one that I ordered, but hopefully my other stuff, I ordered some more stuff from there. So hopefully that stuff can take 25,000 years. Let me stop. If I can't wait 2 or 3 weeks, then there's something wrong with me. We as a people are just so not used to having to wait for stuff. We just, they had it in a plastic bag on the outside to ship it, and then this is the box that's in there. I think this is what this is. I'm assuming this is what this is because of what it said on the outside of the bag, but I hope that that is what this is. I hope they finally send it. I got to be careful with opening this with this knife so I don't cut into it. But yeah, they take a little bit longer, but we as a people, we need to start learning some patience. So like I said, it's a lesson learned. I need to learn my patience lessons. Let's see. This is what it is. You know by the silhouette what I got. You know by the silhouette what this is. You know what this is. But you don't know this pattern. I've been waiting on this, y'all. You know, I basically have a collection started of the, I don't know what it is. I love those little pochette Matisse. I love that silhouette. I'm sorry. I'm gonna wind up getting a pochette Matisse. Louis Vuitton one. I'm gonna wind up getting one. I keep getting the ones around it, but I'm gonna wind up getting one. But you guys gotta see this one. I saw this online. I had to have it because I'm a Virgo. I check my astrology, my zodiac sign, and I check my sign sometimes. And I love anything galaxy, anything space related. I love Star Wars. So what you think? So I saw this on their site and I was like, ooh, that would be super cute. So I wanted it. Look, you guys, I had to look. You know, I had to look at it first. Sorry, I had to look at it first. I had to check and make sure. Look, y'all. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Let me put it up closer. It's a space motif. It's got the planet. It's got the stars, the star system. Y'all. And of course, it's the silhouette of pochette. It's a pochette Matisse dupe. But I just liked that galaxy theme that it had going on. I like that. Let's go ahead and open it up. You already know what it looks like in there. It's got plastic on the closure thing. Dang. They got this plastic on here good. Lord. Could have took the plastic off. But man, I ain't have to put it on there that good. Good Lord. I get a tool to get the plastic off. Alright. Let me show you what it looks like inside. Of course, you got the crossbody bag. You know I had to smell it. Like cigarettes. Somebody was working on this and they blew some cigarette smoke in there before it went out. Let me stop. It's the same silhouette. It's the same inside. It's got the card pocket back there in the back, and then of course it doesn't have much room. Of course, this is so, y'all, I can't wait to add this to my collection. I love this, y'all. I love this. You know I love this silhouette because I keep getting it. If I didn't love it, I wouldn't keep getting it. But update on my next things. I'll just give you guys a quick update on the other things that I have coming in. I'm not going to tell you what it is because it's always going to be a surprise when you come here to watch VVS unbox her goodies on the Budget Fashionista series. I got a lot of more things coming in. As they trickle in, I'm going to keep doing these videos to show you guys what they are. And I'm going to keep doing. You guys, let me know down in the comments. Do you like when I add in different things like beauty items and home items and kitchenwares and stuff like that? Do you like when I add in stuff like that? Or would you rather me just keep it cute and keep it with the accessories and the purses? Just let me know. Let me know down in the comments. I ain't going to be mad. I love construction criticism. Yes, I said construction. Because I'm being cute. But I love constructive criticism. Just let me know. I'm not going to get mad. I'm not going to throw a temper tantrum. I'm not like that. I love when people give me constructive criticism. It's no problem with me. Okay, you guys. Thank you so much for being with me and helping me sit here and open my items that I got in the mail. I always wait for you guys so that I can open them. So I go ahead and set everything up and open it because I really wanted to get to this stuff. I especially wanted to get to this because I wanted to go ahead and get it, because you know me. I carry my stuff and I carry them and they carry well. I love all the items that I've got. And if I don't like it, I will tell you I don't like it in the video. You know how I do. But thank you so much. If you don't mind, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the notifications. And please give me a like for this. Thanks a bunch for watching. You have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.